you ever hear that phrase CAM in a commercial lease? Well, CAM stands for Common Area Maintenance, and it's also known as operating expenses. On your commercial lease, a CAM provision requires the tenant to pay their pro rata share of the operating and maintenance expenses for the building or the shopping center. This usually covers the items like the repairs, cleaning, and insurance. Make sure before you sign a commercial lease, you ask for the history of the building's CAM charges, at least for the past few years. This will give you an idea of the annual increases. Then you're going to want to compare these costs to the surrounding buildings to make sure that they're reasonable. CAM, like all parts of the lease, is negotiable. You're going to want to talk with your agent about options and always be prepared to walk away if the lease seems to be more than you'd like to budget for. Visit the link below for tips on negotiating CAM, and as always, for the best information about commercial real estate, visit the Smarts tab at relativity.com, the site for intelligent real estate.